Good morning, happy Monday. I don't know, maybe not the best way to start my video, but this is how I'm starting my Monday. I shared my current body mask in my video last week, and I just wanted to show you how I use it. I try to use it every day. If not in the morning after my shower, I then try to use it at night. But with consistent use, it really makes a huge difference. It brightens the skin, it tightens, it tones. It's just such a fantastic product. And again, consistency is key with these types of things, but I think you would really love this one. You leave it on for 10 minutes. It's a great way to just lay on your bed, close your eyes, get a little cat nap, or just kind of meditate for a few minutes. It's really, really fantastic. I personally really love this one because it now has this new feature that is right under your chin to kind of help that problem area we tend to have in midlife. The other thing about this one is it has these little cushions around the eyes, so you can actually see fine without getting red light in your eyes. So it's easy to walk around, you know, make coffee, load the dishwasher, unload the dishwasher while you have it on, because this does not affect the way that you see. So I just wanted to share that because I think it's a really great feature. My discount code is right here on the screen, so every little discount helps, I know, and I will also have it linked in the description box down below. Oh my goodness, it is so cold. The temperature has dropped like 3 degrees since I left the house. It's 44 and it's raining and it's so cold. I just ran into Walmart because I had heard that OPI came out with a new polish, and basically it's if Funny Bunny and Bubble Bath had a baby, and it's OP I'm a Bubble Bunny. It's so good. I'm super excited. In fact, I'm headed to get my nails done, so I'm going to take this with me. So if you're new here, just a reminder, what I do is I take my own polishes in. So I take the SC to the Rescue as a base coat, then we'll do 2 or 3 coats of this OPI, and then we'll do a coat of the SC Gel Couture top coat, because this is the secret sauce. It's so good. So anyway, that is what I'm doing. I have a TV segment tomorrow that is all about spring shoes, so kind of wanted my nails to look good. And I was starving. I needed to get something more nutritional, but I am a sucker for Cheez-It Extra Toasty. Do you guys love those? And then the other thing I grabbed are these Mexican wedding cookies by Siete. They are the best if you've never had them. Also, if you are gluten-free or vegan, these are gluten-free and vegan, so they're really good. Happy Tuesday. Well, I just pulled up here for an appointment. It is a Botox day, so I am headed in. I've been getting Botox since after the pandemic. I didn't start till in my 50s. Wish I would have done it sooner because it would have really helped reduce these lines on my forehead. But I love it so much. It's just one of the things I do to help me, you know, just feel my best. Along with, you know, great skincare and makeup. You can't out inject good skincare. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do now. I just did a TV segment this morning. So it's every 6 weeks I do a TV segment on a local show here called New Day Northwest. And I've been doing it for 7 years. Today's was my 31st segment, which was really fun. And today's segment was on spring shoe trends, which I think I'm going to do a separate video just on that. So I'll have a video, or if you're watching this now, I might have already posted it, but I thought it was enough that it needed kind of its own segment. So I'm going to do that as well, but I'm going to head into my appointment now. So we'll chat with you later. Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a great weekend. I'm out here in my greenhouse. It is pouring here today. We did run to IKEA today though, because I wanted to do some flooring here in my greenhouse. So if you're not familiar, I have the Costco greenhouse. It's by Yardistry and it is fantastic. I love this little space. But I have it sitting on cement and water kind of runs under the greenhouse, so the floor will stay wet in the rain, and it stays really cold in here. So I decided to do a type of flooring that sits on top of this cement and then water could still run underneath, but hoping that would just keep it a little warm. Plus it really looks cute in here now, so I'll show it to you, but I'm really happy with it. I wanted to kind of get that done today, and my plan is tomorrow to spend the day out here just planting some seedlings. I did order a little space heater for out here. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos of some other people who have this exact same greenhouse and they use a space heater out here and it tends to work well. So we're gonna give it a try. So let me show you the flooring. So this is the flooring that I decided to go with. These are 12-inch square tiles that snap together, and it works great in here. IKEA had these and I needed 4 boxes total, or 5 boxes. And they had this one that was solid gray, they had an off-white, so I really could have done whatever, but I really just thought the wood would be a nice warm feeling in here. And I'm really pleased with it. I also brought in this big tub that I had, so it's holding all my soils and bone meal and all the other things that I need. And yeah, so really excited with how it is looking. Super excited for spring. I am getting ready to head out into my greenhouse, and I'm wearing my favorite, some of my favorite overalls. I love wearing overalls out there because it's easy, they're comfortable, and I think they're really cute. But I wanted to share because I ordered a new pair of overalls from Quince, and I'm excited to try them on for you. I ordered them originally in a large, and they were just a little too big, so I sent them back. And oh my gosh, Quince exchanges are super fast. So here they are in a medium, so I'll try them on for you. Okay, here they are, and dare I say, I like them better than my Levi's overalls. You guys, these are $59. They come in this ivory color. They come in denim. They're so cute. I will give you a full length view right here on the screen so you can see them, but I'm 5'8", and these are actually longer than the blue ones that I just had on. So the length on these is so much better. They do have just a little stretch to them. You know, the large looked really cute, but it was just kind of a little too oversized, and you know, I like a baggy overall, but these are so good. I am super happy with these, and you can't beat the price. Shipping is super fast, and like I said, the exchange, the minute your label gets scanned for your exchange, they automatically ship out the other size. So these were here, I think, within 2 days of me mailing back the original pair. So I have these linked in the description box down below. If you are wanting a pair of overalls, do not miss out on these. Well, I'm out here in the greenhouse and I am going to plant some seeds today. So I thought this would be a fun way to just kind of end my video, and it's going up a little late today, so apologies for that, but I wanted to just get in a little more content for you. But I'm making some seed starting soil. So if you don't follow Floret Flower, Erin is here in the Pacific Northwest, and it's amazing to follow her. But she has created a seed starting soil, and she has shared the recipe. And someone on Instagram actually broke it down into a manageable size for a gardener. So that's what I'm mixing up here. So in my bucket here, I have 16 quarts of seed starting soil, and then I'm going to add in some bone meal, some blood meal, some kelp meal, and some worm castings. And I'm hoping I have as much success. Her seedlings, she kind of showed 3 trays where she did one with just soil, one with just soil and fertilizer, and then another with all the meal additions that she had added, and the difference was insane. So I will link her information down below if you want to check it out, but I'm really excited to get my soil going. Well, that is it for this vlog. I got a bunch of seeds started as I just shared with you. So maybe next week we'll have some little sprouts. We'll see you next time.